Christian, by now you have probably seen the cranes in construction of the White House East Wing. That's where a new $300 million ballroom is slated to be built. However, right now, a preservationist group is trying to get the court to step in to stop that project. Our Christian Flores spoke with a historian who takes a closer look at how this compares to other White House additions in the past and whether we have seen a legal battle like this before.
Obviously, there have been a number of changes at the White House over the decades.
Changes like the Truman balcony, President Wilson's Rose Garden, among several other additions. But none have been quite like the demolition of the East Wing for a new ballroom, according to George Washington University professor and historian Matthew Dalek.
Presidents have added a swimming pool, bowling alley, but there's really nothing comparable. I mean, no president has taken a literal wrecking ball to a historic and iconic part of the White House without any pre-approval.
This project now at the center of a legal battle in federal court with the next court date on January 15th. The National Trust for Historic Preservation is suing to halt this construction, arguing the White House did not get the necessary approval from Congress and other commissions, and this will cause permanent harm.
It's public property, and it should be governed by public law and regulatory process.
The White House's lawyers countering, saying plans are not finalized, so it's not known if there will be irreversible damage, and the president is exempt from the same approval process as other federal agencies. They also argue construction must continue to meet the Secret Service's national security requirements.
We're building a ballroom. They've wanted a ballroom for 150 years, and I'm giving that honor to this wonderful place. We'll have the most beautiful ballroom in the country.
The judge ruled against the preservationist group's emergency request to stop the project until the January hearing, finding they did not prove irreparable harm, allowing construction to continue. This is a case, Dalek says, that is entering uncharted territory.
The laws were not always written with this in mind, right? Like, this is somewhat of a new scenario, right? It's a new case.
The same order from the judge warning the White House the court can step in before the next hearing if any work done now will change the size or scale of the ballroom.
You know, a judge is not magical, right? The judge cannot simply bring the East Wing back, right? So even if a judge were to rule that the destruction of the East Wing violated preservation law, well, so what's the remedy, right? There is no real remedies.
Christian Flores, 7 News.
Christian, thank you. The public will get their first look at the ballroom construction plan before that January 15th hearing. On January 8th, a week before that court date, the White House will present its plan in a meeting with the National Capital Planning Commission. That is the federal committee that reviews federal construction plans.